Now, GPT 5.4 just dropped, and most people are probably going to just use it to save 10 minutes here and 10 minutes there, maybe just use a few more capabilities, while a select few are actually going to use it to gain leverage in their current careers. See, right now, there is two types of people who are watching this video. Now, the first is just going to open ChatGPT and probably just ask it a better question than they asked yesterday because they found out that it was a little bit smarter on the benchmarks. And then those people will think that they're ahead, right? But you got to understand, at that point, you're simply just going to be a raw consumer. And that second group is already thinking about the workflows that they can hand to this thing. They're thinking about the leverage that they can get with this AI tool. So here's exactly what matters with this launch. GPT 5.4 has native computer use, which means that it can literally browse, fill out forms, pull data, and literally run tasks across your own personal home screen. It has a full-on million token context window, which means that it can literally sit inside of an entire project, not just a conversation, and you can literally steer it mid-response like it's an AI agent, not just a regular chatbot anymore. So you can interrupt it, redirect it, you can now have far more control than ever. But none of that matters if you don't know exactly what to point it at. None of that matters if you don't have a system in your head which causes you to be able to understand what exactly these use cases will be important for. What's the importance of this long context window? Why do these things help you? You need to constantly be thinking about these things and how these things can possibly give you leverage for what you do. See, the model got smarter, right? Which means that the gap between the people who direct agents, the people who direct systems, and those who just simply use the product is about to continuously get a lot wider. And those people who know how to direct systems are going to always have this leverage. But it's for sure not too late, and everybody has a starting place, right? And you do not need to learn every single feature at once. So first things first, here's your first move. Pick a single task that you repeat every single week. Run it through GPT 5.4 just once, just to see what exactly the tool will do even when you don't even prompt it right, and where exactly it falls apart. As you figure that out, you'll figure out, pause, if I say things in a certain way, if I provide certain context, then this thing will actually work in my favor, and my output is predicated upon my own input. But you'll only ever understand that by putting in the groundwork, because that gap between what it gives you and what exactly it ships is exactly where your career is going to end up living. If you want to see exactly how to set this up, not the hype, the actual system, comment the build below and I will send you the blueprint. We can get this started today. No hype, we got this.